Experiencing can't connect errors on Xfinity Stream? This often stems from network instability, app glitches, or device-specific problems. As of late 2025, quick fixes like network checks, clearing app cache, and restarting devices resolve over 80% of issues. We'll cover the most effective solutions to get you back to streaming quickly. Recent app updates include automated diagnostics, but manual troubleshooting is still key. Connectivity issues are more frequent during peak hours. A stable internet connection is essential, with minimum requirements of 25 megabits download speed for HD streaming and 100 megabits for 4K. Let's dive into practical solutions. First, ensure a stable network. Use speed tests to verify your connection. 25 to 100 megabit is ideal. Ensure your device is on the same network as your Xfinity gateway and avoid Wi-Fi interference. Second, clear the app cache. This resolves corrupted data that causes freezing. Locate the app in your device settings, then clear the cache and data. Finally, restart your device. A full power cycle clears RAM and resets network protocols. For smart TVs and streaming devices, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. For mobile devices, fully power down and restart. Always update your devices to the latest OS. If VPN conflicts are detected, try disabling the VPN to resolve connection issues.